Namaste friends, my name is Sandeep. Today we are going to learn about corpse pose or Shavasana. Friends, this Shavasana is a very restorative asana. It is believed to be the most simplest asana, but also at the same time it is very difficult. Because simple, why simple? You're just lying down on the back, doing nothing actually. And that is the reason why it also becomes difficult, because your mind has to be continuously present in what you are doing at that point of time. Maybe either focusing on some parts of the body and allowing them to relax, or maybe focusing on the breath or on the sensations. So to keep the mind focused continuously, it's challenging. But also, as you keep it practicing regularly, it will happen easily. Anyone can do. In fact, I would say you should always end your session with Shavasana. Don't forget Shavasana because it is a masterpiece. It can actually rejuvenate yourself completely at both the levels, at the level of the body and also at the level of the mind. Friends, if you see the benefits of Shavasana, it allows you to calm down. And it is also very good for depression, for people suffering from high blood pressure, people who have headaches or neck problem, people who find it difficult to sleep, they can also practice this. I would suggest if you can, at the end when the day ends, when you are lying down on the bed going to sleep, if you can do a short Shavasana, it can help you to fall asleep. And that is the reason why when you do Shavasana, the sleep quality improves. High blood pressure, if it's there, it will allow the blood pressure to come under control. And it is one of the best stress buster. It can relieve the stress. A lot of time when we lie down at night, when we are sleeping, we still carry a lot of tension and worries with us. Shavasana will help to reduce all these worries, this stress that we carry, and it will keep this stress and worries at the bay. And that is the reason why the name itself is a corpse pose. We should be like a dead body. How a dead body is not affected by anything, in the same way, we should also be not affected by anything, especially when we are at the end, lying down at night, so that we can keep everything at bay. Most of the time, the mind is very active. We cannot relax completely. And the next day when we wake up, we still find that we want to sleep a little more. We keep on pressing the snooze button because the sleep that we have got is not enough. The main reason is the mind is very active. If we keep on doing Shavasana regularly, it will help to release the fatigue and tension that comes at the physical level and mostly at the mental level. So friends, keep practicing this Shavasana. In fact, every day. Now, there is just one contraindication, and it is mostly related to posture. A lot of time when we lie down, it's very difficult to keep lying down on the back completely flat. After some point of time, we will find that there is some strain on the back. And that is the reason why whenever you lie down, you should bend your leg at the knees. So bend both the leg at the knees and let the feet be little apart, hip width apart. The distance between the feet, the distance between the knee is hip width apart. The reason is when we bend the leg at the knee, the lower back becomes completely flat. So lower back won't feel any difficulty or strain, and we can continue sustaining this position for a little longer period of time. What you can also do is you can bend both the leg at the knees and keep a bolster or a pillow below the knee and then straighten the leg. As the knees are a little bent, the lower back becomes a little more closer to the floor. It also becomes flat to the floor, and it can also release or bring the lower back into a state of little relaxation. So friends, practice Shavasana and it will be very nice. Now let's see the technique. There are certain things that we should keep in mind when we do Shavasana. So Shavasana is a supine asana, lying on the back. Let's lie on the back. Not with a flat back by straining the back, but with the support of the hands and then turning around. Friends, if you see, the lower back arch will remain because that's how the natural curvature of the lower back is. So when you do Shavasana, if you want to do it for a longer period of time, you can bend your leg at the knees. This allows the lower back to become completely flat.
Also, there is some distance between the feet and some distance between the knee. Head is in the center. If you find it uncomfortable at the neck region, you can roll a towel and keep it below the neck also. Now, when you are relaxing, especially with legs straight, a lot of people have this tendency to keep the feet very active even when they are relaxing. Both the feet are parallel to each other. If you keep your feet like this, the hip and the lower back region is used. And that is the reason why when we relax, we should first allow the feet to drop on the sides. So the moment you drop the feet on the sides, no matter wherever it comes, not forcing the big and the small to come down on the floor, we just drop the feet. This will relieve some strain and tension from the lower back and also some tension from the hip area. This region will become a little relaxed. The hip pelvic region will relax. Now, a lot of time people find strain in the shoulder. So what they can do is they can actually hug their opposite shoulder blades and stretch them, allowing the shoulder blades to go away from each other. So hugging and pulling it nicely and then relaxing it. You will find that the shoulders can also relax them. One more thing is we can stretch the arm away and then drop completely. This will allow the arms also to go a little away from the ear, and it will stretch and open the dorsal region, the middle part of the spine, and it will allow you to relax from the upper middle back also. So friends, whenever you do this, you can also bring the chin a little close to the chest so that the neck is elongating. If you find difficult, you can allow the head to come to its natural position so that there is no discomfort at any point of time. If you want to use a small rolled towel, you can also use that. Another way of relaxing, or when we go into Shavasana, what we can do is we can tighten certain parts of the body and let them relax. Because when we tighten them, and after that when we relax, it is seen that they can relax more easily and also more deeply. Now, how to tighten the body? So we will tighten the legs, we will tighten the hands, we will tighten the face, and finally we will tighten every part of the body. See how to tighten the legs. What we can do is we can point the toe out, tighten the legs, inhaling, holding the breath, tightening them, and then dropping them. When we drop, the legs can relax nicely and profusely. And then we can raise the hand, close the fist, tighten the fist, and drop. Then tightening the face, friends, because we carry a lot of tension on the face. So this tightening of the face exercise can help to relieve the stress, the tension and the stress also from the facial muscles. So tightening the face and then releasing. We will inhale, we will tighten when we are holding the breath, and as we release, we also exhale. So do it together now. We inhale. Now we lift the body. Tighten, and let go. Then remain in Shavasana. Friends, when you do Shavasana, it is a masterpiece. And if you can learn this art of doing Shavasana, you can literally create a nice balance between the body and mind. Both of them can come into a state of relaxation. Both of them will come into a state of control. This modern world is full of stress and tension, friends. Shavasana, that's why, becomes very compulsory. If you can practice this, it will be great. Dear friends, if you like my video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can get updates of new videos also. If you have any feedback, any suggestions, write to us. Those are very valuable for us. If you want us to cover any particular subject related to yoga, also write to us. We will try to cover that in the near future. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Namaste.